As the Enforcement Directorate opens investigations into Rhea Chakraborty's financial transactions, these are the three key questions they are likely to ask the actor. Her purchase of high-end properties, the suspicious companies created by her and her brother Shavik, the role of her alleged stooge Samuel Miranda, whose name appears in financial transactions involving Sushant's bank account.
Yeah, ma'am. आपकी गाड़ी खड़ी है, सेलिब्रिटी हो।
Rhea Chakraborty has been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate on August 7th for questioning, and this is likely to open a whole new can of worms in this increasingly murky case. The Enforcement Directorate has also picked up Samuel Miranda, a close associate of Rhea, for questioning after his name appeared in financial transactions from Sushant Singh Rajput's bank accounts.
सर क्या बात हुई? क्या बात हुई ये सर बता तो दीजिए। एटलीस्ट सर क्या बात हुई ये तो बता दीजिए। सर क्या बात हुई? सर क्या बात हुई?
The Enforcement Directorate and the police from both Mumbai and Bihar started scanning Sushant's financial records after his demise, and it was then that they first came across the name of Samuel Miranda. Sushant's bank statements showed some transactions involving Samuel Miranda, and it was decided that he should be questioned regarding these transactions and be asked to shed light on Sushant's spending patterns. इससे पहले एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टोरेट ने सुशांत के चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट से भी बात की है and will be questioning Rhea CA as well. In addition to questioning her purchase of the real estate, the Enforcement Directorate is likely to question Rhea about the companies started by her and her brother, which have not done much business after they were formed. The Enforcement Directorate, which has been investigating a money laundering angle, suspects कि शायद ये companies shell companies है which were used as fronts to carry on a money laundering scam.
This is the biggest development that this case has seen in past 50 days. The main protagonist of the case, Rhea Chakraborty, who has been under the scanner of the Bihar police right from the day when they registered the FIR around 7 or 8 days back. Rhea Chakraborty has formally been called in for questioning by the Enforcement Directorate.
It is interesting to note that ये वही Samuel Miranda है जिससे सुशांत के relatives ने Rhea का stooge कह के बुलाया है. Earlier there were reports that Rhea was also allegedly using Sushant's money for her personal expenses and the expenses of her brother and family. This included air tickets, shopping expenses, and personal expenses like salon visits and spa treatments. Sushant's father's lawyer, Vikas Singh, has also alleged that during Rhea's stay with Sushant, 15 crores went missing from his account. The Mumbai police, though, has said that money may have been withdrawn from Sushant's account, but it did not appear in Rhea's account as a direct transfer. Vikas has also added that while Mumbai police has been focusing on a professional rivalry and nepotism, the real problem is the financial misappropriation of Sushant's money and the misuse of his hard-earned money by Rhea for herself and her family. He said in an interview to a website, during his stay with Rhea, rupees 17 crore came into the account and rupees 15 crore went out. Now you must appreciate that not a single property was bought, nor was a big car purchased. So where did this money go? He has also alleged that a total of 50 crores has gone missing from the actor's account over 3 years. With the investigation taking a new turn and the allegations of financial fraud and deliberate manipulation of Sushant's physical and mental health now coming to the forefront, perhaps a new perspective to this unfortunate event will finally bring answers to Sushant's family, who are still awaiting justice for their beloved Gulshan.